As a child, growing up with a cleft was difficult, I would say. Although I have very supportive parents who never made me feel like something was wrong about me, whenever I used to step out of my home, which was my comfort zone, people used to stare at me and ask questions about my appearance. That was very uncomfortable.
So the lowest moment was in childhood. Once, not many times, where people would tease me that you are this, you are that. I have been teased in my school times about my scar that you are alien and your nose is flat and I have been traumatized with it, but I have not yet told to any of the person about it. But yeah.
Question, and I remember in school days, every day somebody used to ask me the same question: why is your nose like this? And why is your lip like this? And why do you have that scar? So this was very regular for me, although it affected me every time somebody asked me this question.
Yeah, very much. I have learned many of the things from last 18th of my age to more explore myself. Why is this happening and or so yeah, it is from there.
You can try the meditation. You just try the exercise. You just talk with someone or with your parents. Okay? You just talk with your loved ones like girlfriend, boyfriend, and anyone. And you get connected with your friend.
It has affected my singing, but I've always taken it as a challenge and tried my best to overcome it in every way possible.
No, not much. I have been enjoying my every entire school life, college life. With this car as well as the operations available with it from starting till end, it doesn't affect any of my it hurts or like it gives the pain, but it is a minimal way. You have to just be confident.
The fact that I chose to continue my battle as a cleft warrior and chose a career where I get to help and heal people who are like me, and also other people who are struggling with speech difficulties. My work is to improve their speech through my music. This makes me confident.
आप मेडिटेशन ट्राई कर सकते हो. ओके, बस निकल जाओ कहीं भी. नहीं मन लग रहा है घर पे, समझ नहीं आ रहा है, पैक योर बैग, प्लान अ ट्रिप, मूव.
Understood that we are not different. We are also the same person that you are thinking. We are not different. We are also the normal person who are standing with us. The way am I love myself more. Doesn't matter what is happening to me, but yeah, as I am, I love myself more.
मुझे रुकना नहीं आता यार. मतलब अगर मैं 25 साल की उम्र में ये कर सकता तो आप भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है.
I have heard about Smile Train in my childhood. My mom and dad have told me that from there only your journey have started. From there only I have known about Smile Train in India. Many of, not just in India but outside India, many of the organizations are there who are supporting the cleft community, who are going as Seerat is going slow by slow. Since people are not knowing anything about what cleft are, it helped me more because I have many of my friends available right now there who like to communicate with me, and I also like them to communicate. We do not have any specific time. Any time we call and have silly jokes as well for us, but the community that India have for the cleft warriors especially is a great community. Stay confident. First point. Do not take yourself down because of any person telling to you that you have something different. Your face is doing this, your face is looking that, you are looking like anything else. Do not believe in anyone.
था जब मुझे खुद में डाउट आने लगा था कि यार मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा, लाइक मैं बाहर निकलूँगा एंड जस्ट व्हेन आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू द इंटरव्यू वो समझ ही नहीं पाएगा, माइट बी दैट पर्सन लाफ ऑन माई फेस, मैं क्या करूँगा? नथिंग, कुछ नहीं होता ऐसा. इवन इन माई कंपनी वी लॉट ऑफ अ प्लस वॉरियर ऑल्सो, so yeah, that's perfectly fine, no worry.
There's something that I wrote a few months ago, keeping in mind all warriors and people like us who are affected by society's staring comments every now and then. I'd sing a few lines from that song for the warriors. We've got to be brave, we've got to be brave, we've got to be brave forever. Oh, dear brave heart, you've got to do this for yourself. We've got to stare back at them, stare back at them, stare back at them and make them look away. Oh, dear brave heart, don't you ever let them tell you who you are. Thank you.